So now I'm going through and applying a little bit of glue just in the center of the slots, because this is one end, like so. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Move this along a little bit, sorry about that. And I'm just squeezing the glue out very carefully, like so. And I want to do the same with the other side. Oops. Oops, sorry. So I'm just going to do the same like that, very carefully. A little bit in the middle, like that. So that one's done. That one's done. But now, I don't want that to fall over. This is going to be a little trickier because we've got to get a little bit of glue in here. So, like I said, I'm doing this one-handed. I've got to try and do this real quick. So I've got that bit there, and then, oops, sorry, bit there, like that. A little bit in the middle, like this, like so. And you can see that the glue's running out. So because it's on an angle, well, not at an angle, but it's dropping down, you can see that the glue's actually running down. So now, the tricky part, I've got the glue on there, it's going to go down there, so I'm turning that around. I'll just knock something over here on the bench, and like so. I'm just moving that, wriggling that along so that it lines up with the end, push down, and then, hey presto, it's gone together like that. And I'm just going to tap it a little bit so it lines up. And it's just some fine adjusting here and there just to make sure that it's going to be nice and flush, particularly on the top. And I want it to be flush with the bottom. So it's sitting a bit proud, this piece, so I'll just tap that across so it's all lined up, and then I'll do the same for the other end.